there. Okay guys, let's continue. We're in Leondale. Let's continue with our walk. Okay guys, we're still here. We're still here in Leondale. Leondale is just beside the highway. It's easy to get here. You just off ramp in Leondale Road, and then it takes you here, straight here. And not far from here, there's a shopping center. Yeah, in the other side of Leondale, which is known also as Pumula. Just a walking distance, maybe 10 minutes from here. Yeah, if you are looking for a peace of mind, guys, you can come to get a house from this area here. You see, it's nice, peace of mind, and you can also tell the similarities of the suburbs of our townships, of our neighborhoods. It's quite similar. They are quite similar. If you can be blindfolded and be from where you're staying now and be brought here and asked where you are, I think you can say I'm in Protea. You'll be confused. You'll think it's around the place you know, because our townships, our neighborhoods are almost similar. The progress is not only happening in Soweto, or it was not happening only in Soweto, but all around the country. Not only in Gauteng, but in all the provinces. And beyond that, not only in South Africa. We know that in each and every place. It's just that sometimes negativity is very contagious. We normally, as humans, we focus on that and those little faults or mistakes or weaknesses that are surrounding us. We forget about all the beauty that we have. Now appreciating the good we have, and somehow it can heal us. It can reduce the stress if we focus on the little we have, the positive we have. Okay, these are the houses. In areas like this, normally you find that it's young people who own these houses here. Yeah, it's a younger generation. So we're in Ekurhuleni, we're in the east end of Johannesburg, very, very far away from Soweto, because we've showcased Soweto, yeah, greatly, but it's big. So bit by bit, guys, we will cover Soweto. Very nice. Very nice double-story houses there. And here we see the house is still under construction here. They're extending. Yes, guys, we're still here at Leondale Gardens, which is closer to Vosloorus, opposite Spruit View. Almost said Klipspruit. So it's a Spruit. It's an Afrikaans name of a river. So there's a river here that passes through. Its rand is called the Spruit. Emfuleni. Una. If you are thinking of if you have a family, want to raise your kids in a nice quiet area, this is an option, guys. This is an option. Leondale Gardens, it's very nice. There's a school close by, not far from here, and also you can see a kindergarten here, a crèche, daycare of some sort. Yeah, it's a nice place, nice area, Leondale. This was Leondale, guys. Just giving you some small glimpses of Leondale. Yeah, it's very nice. Located in the East Rand. We've traveled to East Rand this time, showcasing Guruleni. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow this channel, guys. Let's make sure we reach many other areas. Thanks. This was story, guys.